Hi everyone, today we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between two heavyweight online payment platforms, Stripe and PayPal, and which one is better to receive payments online. Well, we'll be dissecting their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you determine which platform is better choice for receiving payments online. So, before digging the difference between PayPal and Stripe, let's look at what's the same. In the United States, both PayPal and Stripe charge the same basic fee of around 2% plus a few cents per successful transaction. These fees may vary by which country you are trading in, but the two payment processors charge generally about the same. So, let's have a comparison between the two in terms of cheap transaction fees. PayPal has around 2.29% plus a fixed fee of 9 cents, while Stripe has 2.9% plus a fixed fee of 30 cents. While in the key transaction, PayPal has an increase of around 3.49% plus a fixed fee of 9 cents. While in the key transaction for Stripe, still the same as the transaction fees, which is around 2.9% plus 30 cents. So in the customer payment options, PayPal has an option of that merchants can accept all major credit cards, Venmo, Pay Later options, and cryptocurrencies. This includes Bitcoins and other major cryptocurrencies. While Stripe merchants can also accept all major credit cards, including international, Pay Later options, and payments in over 135 different currencies and more. Of course, this includes cryptocurrencies. I think Stripe has a little bit of edge than this, more than PayPal. So moving on to the chargeback fees, PayPal has a whopping $20 chargeback fee, while Stripe only has $15 chargeback fee, which is like $5 less than PayPal. While the refund policy, PayPal has customers receive the full cost of service, but the merchants does not receive the transaction fee in return. While in Stripe does not return original transaction fees. Moving on to the software integration, PayPal has integrated with WooCommerce, Magento, Wix, BigCommerce, GoDaddy, and more. While Stripe has integrated with Drupal, PrestaShop, Magento, Shopware, WooCommerce, WordPress, and many, many more. I think Stripe has a slight advantage when it comes to software integration. They have more than PayPal. While in their international fees, PayPal has an additional 1.5% for all commercial transactions plus fixed fees based on currency, while Stripe has an additional 1% for international cards and an additional of 1% if currency conversion is required. Let's kick things off by discussing how easy it is to use and integrate Stripe and PayPal. Stripe offers a developer-friendly environment with customizable payment solution, but it might require more technical expertise to set up effectively because Stripe has a lot of integrations, okay? It has a lot of modability, as a lot of customization. So the technicality of it is more than that of PayPal, because PayPal on the other hand provides a more straightforward integration process, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. So it goes down, if you're seeking for a user-friendly solution, PayPal's easy setup might be more appealing. However, if customization and developer support are critical, Stripe could be the winner in this one. So let's move on to the international reach and currency support. Both factors are important for business operating globally. So Stripe boasts an extensive list of supported countries and currency, making it a go-to choice for businesses with diverse international clientele. While PayPal is also globally recognized and used, allowing transactions in multiple currencies. So in these choices, both PayPal and Stripe are well suited for international transactions, but if your business focuses heavily on diverse regions, Stripe's broader currency support could be advantage against PayPal. Moving on to the transaction fees and pricing, okay? It's a crucial consideration for any businesses. Stripe and PayPal both charge competitive transaction fees, but Stripe often offering a slightly lower fees for a larger transaction, while PayPal fees can be higher for microtransactions, but its familiarity might make up for the difference because a lot of people knows how to use it, a lot of people uses it. So familiarity is an advantage on this one. So depending on the volume and size of your transaction, either platform could offer cost savings. It's essentially to crunch the numbers to make an informed decision. Let's moving on to the payouts and processing times are pivotal in keeping your cash flow consistent. Let's analyze both platforms' performance in this area. Stripe facilitates quick payouts directly to your bank, usually within just a few days, while PayPal provides timely access to funds with added convenience of transferring funds to your PayPal account. Both platforms actually offer speedy processing time, so your choice might depend on your preference for payout methods. Then moving on to the ensuring secure transactions and buyer protection is paramount. Let's evaluate the security measures in place for both platforms. Stripe is committed on robust security measures, and its customizable checkout process can enhance customer trust because since it's highly customizable, the level of commitment Stripe has to security earns the trust for most customers. While PayPal is recognized name in online payment with a focus on buyer protection and dispute resolution. So if you're looking for established secure payment environment, both platforms offer reliable measures, but PayPal's reputation could be a factor for businesses aiming to build buyers trust because PayPal has been in this game for a long time, so it's already cemented its security reputation. Moving on to the customization and developer resources can significantly impact your payment experience. Let's explore this aspect. So Stripe is celebrated for its flexible API, allowing developers to create tailored payment flows and functionalities. Well, PayPal also offers an API, but it might not be as comprehensive as Stripe, which could influence your decision based on your technical needs. So, if customization and specialized features are paramount, Stripe's developer-friendly environment could give it an edge. So to wrap things up, Stripe and PayPal have their merits. If you value a user-friendly experience and brand recognition, PayPal might be your choice. However, after customization, international reach, and developer support, Stripe could be a better fit. So consider your business specific requirements, target audience, and transaction volumes when making your decision. By weighing the pros and cons, you'll be better equipped to choose the perfect payment solution that aligns with your goals. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you will be updated by future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.